This is SkyTruth's FrackFinder Wellpad Mapper project. In this crowdsourced project, we're asking you to help us map the footprint of well pads in eastern Ohio. All you need to do is click on the corners of these gray gravel parking lots around oil and gas infrastructure, double-click to finish, and then hit Submit. A few other tools and features that we'll go over, but for the most part, you'll just be doing this. Go around the well pad. Again, this gray gravel parking lot, either in a clockwise or counterclockwise manner. You can undo if you don't like the polygon you've created, and again, you can go around it clockwise or counterclockwise. But don't click at random on the corners, because this will happen. If that happens, just undo the last or clear all, and try again. Just getting the gray gravel parking lot with permanent infrastructure, not the roads, not the pipelines, just the well pad. Not all of them will be perfectly square. Some will have a few more corners, some will be rounded. Just give us a general view of what it looks like. We will aggregate these and put them all together. This will help us to measure the footprint of oil and gas drilling activity in Ohio's Marcellus and Utica shales. Sometimes there will be multiple well pads, but again, just get the big square gray gravel features with permanent infrastructure, not the pipelines or any ponds or any additional disturbances on the ground. Most of the tasks we have occur in 2013, but the year for the task that you're supposed to be doing is indicated by the white caret down in the corner. You can check other years to see what it looked like at different times, but only digitize the year where the white arrow is pointing. If you get off, as I have accidentally done here, and digitize the wrong year, the computer will not accept this to prevent you from submitting bad data. You get a warning that looks like this. Will remind you that you need to be mapping what happened in 2011, not 2013. Again, that's indicated by this white caret down in the corner. And these are generally the same, but we'll just clear this and digitize it for the correct year. You'll notice that we're not digitizing the green reclaimed areas around the well pad, even though they probably are also impacts from putting this well pad in. We just want the gray gravel well pads with permanent infrastructure for this project. We'll get to the full total disturbed area in later projects. And if we have more than one year of imagery for a site, you'll see them in sequential order, going from the oldest to the most recent. So some sites may look familiar, but just digitize them as best you can. Obviously, the ones with rounded shapes like this take a little more time because they have more vertices. Not everything will look perfectly normal. In this case, I would hit Don't Know, because this is still under construction. We don't know the full extent of what the well pad's going to look like. But you can click See in Google Maps to get more information, like the latitude and longitude of this well pad. You can retake the tutorial here and check on your progress here. And thank you for contributing to this collaborative image analysis project. You can find out more about us at skytruth.org.